Hi guys, welcome to Vicky's Kenyan kitchen where we prepare a variety of meals, and today we are going to cook a very simple African meal. I have green bananas. I mean this. So, narahisisha kazi yangu. Cassava. This I'm gonna do with coconut, and my banana I will do fried. I have African chicken, yani Kienyeji chicken. I have coconut, onions, ginger, garlic, and sweet pepper. I will start to boil my chicken. Some water. When your cassava is almost ready, you add some onions and sweet pepper. This gives you a very nice taste and aroma. Yeah. Before it's ready, when it's almost, add that. That's enough. I also do sweet pepper. So, guys, I have squeezed my coconuts to this fresh coconut cream. I will boil it, stir it for a few minutes for us to use on our cassava. Yes, isishikane yani. It's forming. You can see on my cooking stick. Imeanza kukua thick. That's what we are looking for. I'll switch off the heat. Our cassava is also ready. Maji hakuna, imekauka. So we will switch off the heat while I cook other things. At the same time, I'll be cooking my bananas. tomato paste. This is for the chicken. Tomato paste. Half teaspoon of chili pepper. Pinch of salt since we boiled with it. Tomatoes. Half chili pepper, a teaspoon in our matoke. 2 teaspoons of salt. I will cover. I've covered. Hi guys, finally here. The food is ready, as you can see. I wouldn't talk about the final results because I will leave that to my guests to decide whether I did well or not. On my right, I have Tabian. On my left, I have Ali. He's our guest today. And both are here to taste our meal and tell us what they think about Vicky's Kenyan kitchen. Let's do this. We have chicken, Kienyeji, Matoke final results, Mihogo wa nazi. I mean this tui itaenda na mhogo wetu wa nazi. So they will taste everything and tell us. And this is our chili mixed hot and sweet. Karibuni sana.
First of all, nikwambie kitu sasa. Mimi si mtu wa Matoke. I've not taken Matoke for how long? So, wacha tujaribu.
Tujaribu tuone.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Sasa tukitaka chakula kama CBS tutapata wapi?
You order?
No, is it an online thing?
Yes. We do deliveries.
It's actually very sweet.
Thank you. The fact that you don't eat Matoke, that's a big deal.
Hata sijaguza kuku niko hapa tu bado.
Acha bado uko kwa Matoke.
I love my chicken.
Oh. Imeiva? Ingo. I love chicken.
Vicky's kitchen.
Yes. Vicky's Kenyan kitchen.
It's awesome.
Yeah. Kula ukimaliza utatuambia.
Sasa kuku itasamea. Asiwezoea kisu.
Kula hata mimi nakula na mkono.
Kata kiluya.
Yeah. Karibu nyumbani. I'm one of those.
Kienyeji. Wow. Imekuwa soft vizuri.
Oh, thank you. Iko poa?
Unaweza kuweza.
Thank you. If you like one of this, you can try.
Chakula ni tamu sana. Nimesahau about the sauces.
I've had a very nice time with my guests, and maybe the plates will explain what happens here before I come to my guests for their reviews. They will tell us how was the bananas, African chicken, and cassava with coconut milk. Yes? All right, I'll start with Tabian on my right. Hi. Yes. Tell us.
I really enjoyed the food.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You just need a bed rest.
Yes.
Need a nice massage. The plates can explain everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So apart from the bananas, Matoke, how did you like our cassava with
The cassava
coconut?
was nice. Actually, you did not get what they say, cherema.
Mm-hmm.
You know cherema?
No.
Cherema is like where you put cassava but high.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a bit hard.
Okay.
But yours was very perfect, soft, nice. The chewy was nice,
Yeah.
perfect, delicious.
All right then. On my left, my guest is Ali. I would like Ali to be. It's my first time I meet Ali, and I will appreciate if you tell us how was your experience starting from the bananas, fried bananas, to the African chicken, and then to our cassava with coconut.
First of all, I'll give you a kudos.
Okay.
I'm not a Matoke guy.
Yes.
Nimeirarua, nimekula. It's delicious. It's amazing. I love the cassava with the tui iko poa. Trust me.
Yeah.
You've made nianze kutaka Matoke.
Oh, when you started eating, you said you don't eat Matoke at all, not for anything.
Not for anything, because kuli kabisa.
Yeah,
but now
so
at least in a week, tutakuwa saving a big one. Deliver faster.
I was actually worried about my guest Ali. Like he said, he don't eat Matoke. Not for anything. It's not his thing. And I wondered actually if he will eat it or not. So I gave him like 2 to try and see. He said from now onwards, anytime Matoke will do for him. And I'm very happy about that. So I must say it's been a very lovely day for us. I'm happy to have you in my kitchen.
Thank you.
Not only as a guest, but the thing is that you didn't eat Matoke, but you ate in my kitchen.
Yeah.
So that's a plus. And I'm humble and proud to have you, Ali, as a guest. And the same goes for Tabian. Very happy. She said the Matoke, the chicken, and the cassava was... Guys, thank you so much for keeping it Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. I appreciate the love and the support. Without you guys, I'm sure, I wouldn't be here. I won't be still cooking, but you guys have given me hope and encouragement to keep going. All the time you like, comment, subscribe, and you motivate me to keep going. That's it. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.
Thank you. What is the